Good morning. My name is Kanparthi Bonadedeepa, studying second year medicine September batch. What is your name and your date of birth? Okay. Today I am going to examine on sensory testing and reflexes. Is it okay for you? Wash or sanitize your hands before undergoing physical examination. Observe the patient's body position during movement and at rest. Watch for involuntary movement such as tremors and twitches. Inspect the size of the muscles. Do the muscles look flat or concave, suggesting atrophy? If so, is the atrophy unilateral or bilateral? Is it proximal or distal? When looking for atrophy, pay special attention to the hands, shoulders, and thighs. At the patient's muscle tone or resistance to passive stretch, encourage the patient to relax. Take one hand in yours and while supporting the elbow flex and extend the patient's fingers, wrist, elbow, and put the shoulder through a moderate range of motion on each side. Note muscle tone, the resistance offered to your movements. Remember in muscles, testing the patient resists and the examiner overcomes the patient's resistance. To access muscle tone in the legs, support the patient's thigh with one hand, grasp the foot with other, and flex and extend the patient's knee and ankle on each side. Note the patient's resistance to your movements. Access both legs in turn as you access muscle strength. Keep in mind that a person's dominant side is usually slightly stronger than the non dominant side. Begin by testing flexion of the biceps muscles by having the patient bend his arm at the elbow and pull against your hand, and test extension of the triceps by having the patient push against your hand. Test flexion of the patient's wrist and extension of the patient's wrist. Test the patient's grip. Cross your middle and index finger to cushion them and ask the patient to squeeze as hard as possible while you try to remove your fingers normally. You should have trouble removing them. Continue. Testing muscle strength by ask the patient to turn his palm down and spread his fingers. Check abduction by trying to force them together. Test apposition of the thumb by asking the patient to try to touch the tip of his little finger with his thumb while you resist the movement. This may be impaired in carpal tunnel syndrome. Test the flexion and extension of the hip. Place the hands firmly on the table outside the patient's knee. Ask the patient to spread both legs against your hands. To test the hip abductors, place your hands between the patient's knee and ask the patient to bring the knees back together. Testing muscle strength and the knee by supporting the patient's knee and flexion and asking the patient to straighten the leg against your hand. The quadriceps is the strongest muscle in the body, so expect a forceful response to access knee flexion by the hamstring. Stiff your hand position but leave the patient's leg flexed at the knee. Tell the patient to keep the foot down as try to straighten the leg. Finally, test dorsiflexion at the ankle by asking the patient to pull up against your hand. And plantar flexion by asking the patient to pull against down against your hand. Examination on sensory testing and reflexes video is completed. Thank you very much for watching.